Turkey to take counter-step if US adopts hostile attitude. Syria, Russian air strike on Idlib market kills 17. Israeli Navy arrests 2 fishermen off Gaza coast. Israel demolishes dozens of Jerusalem homes amid outcry. Regime air strikes kill 17 in Syria's de-escalation zone. Iran sentences CIA spies to death. Qatar urges restraint over tension in Strait of Hormuz. Turkey's disaster response agency gives foot in Yemen. Turkey neutralizes 4 terrorists in southeast. Libya, Tripoli-based government strikes hits Haftar forces. Nigeria police launch search for kidnapped Turkish man. Pakistani PM Khan gathered thousands in the US capital.